It's rough. You have to put on your foot. There's something out there where you must can do. There's something where you must like. So I don't know what you think about, but as you know, Paul Bogle Junior, them offer electrical, general construction, housekeeping, plumbing, and a variety of things where you can choose. My punchy, things really rough. I know you know this.
Yes, Daddy, I understand.
And I like more push out there. Me that do the world for you. I'm here, Daddy. And anything me can do for make you happy, me go do it. But just bear with me. You have to help me. You have to help me. So, what you need for the Monday morning, you're going to high school bright and early. Your friend Sandra Lee, you can tell her on the 2 hours go down there because she get fair subject them too. And say what you like. And then we take it from there. I want the best for you.
Yes, Daddy, I understand. And me are going to make you proud. Because we know the struggles we go through. And you know, so I like cosmetology. I mean, even me do my hair, you know. I love every bit of it. I mean, even want to have one shop. Because I love Jesus Christ. Well, Daddy, I understand. And I know the struggles we go through. I'm going to make you proud. And you know, I love cosmetology. I love the hair. I even the one me that think about to have one shop to do cosmetology, like hair and nails and all of that. So I always think about the hair. And even me do my hair now.
Alright.
So I'm good on it.
Understand.
I'm sure we will come out to something better.
Alright. Over Paul Bogle High School, I said them offer cosmetology along with some other things. I know you do well. I feel like I'm dominated. I believe in you. I have you from here, look a baby, from here, look a tot. I mean, I give up on you. I just wish me did have more for offer, but as you know. But at the end of the day, just have to push on. You just need to help me, you just need to come on board and play your part. I will support you as much as I can with the look I have, but you just have to help me out. Come on there. So long we up here. Almost night, you know. So come in. What I want for dinner though? Yeah, but here we are. Yeah man, so I'm not tell them I want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Life is a funny thing. My teacher used to beat something in the girls in it. Every day Miss Aggie used to come in and sing, "Girls, when climbing the ladder of success, don't let a guy look under your dress, because he will say it looks fine, but in 9 months' time it's not mine."
No, Daddy,
You laugh. You could take it as a joke. But remember, me and your father, I want the best for you. And that's why me I say it. You might see it as a joke, but take it very seriously. You have some you them cunning. Them a go tell you the world when them want to look at something there. And them a go say the use you. Them give you everything. Just that one moment there. You see the moment them let go that look at Joes there. I hit that. You know, hear back from them. You know, see them and just disappear. You wonder if it's a ghost. Be careful.
Yes, Daddy.
Be warned.
Yes, Daddy. But I'm not really interested in a no boy. I only focus on my cosmetology and a school I'm interested in and to have my own shop and make you proud. That's all.
Tosh, I'm going to tell you, nothing wrong if you see one local guy where you like, because you're a girl. You're a girl and them say opposite attracts. So that's why you have the magnet attract to steal and them look at thing there. So you go see one local man where you like, a man go see a local girl where you like, that's natural. You see me? The problem with me have is if you see one girl and like one girl, that's a no-no, not in my regime.
No, Daddy, I'm not depending on something there, girls to girl. No?
So funny. You laugh. You laugh. A serious thing. And the reason I tell you this is because I hold it for distraction there road. We need to understand life. Life is not easy better roads as how you see it. You need to understand, say, yo, I mean, the world today is crazy. I mean, I got there 24/7 if you can guide you. Yes, I'm a phone call away. But at the same time, you know, must think about that at the time. So what more you do, more you be able to think and think very swiftly. Understand? Don't make nobody trick you, don't make nobody use you.
Yes, Daddy.
If you see one way you like, you search him out, and then you can decide from there. You can come and talk to me. I'm here for you. Some people fear to talk to them about sex and all them things. I'm not going to hide nothing from you. Them tell them say they drop out of sky and all them foolish. So that's why I pick them hide and do it. Instead of play hide and seek and them things. But you're grown. You have life. Anyways, I get something to catch up my stomach. So if you want to feed food in the kitchen.
Alright.
Tasha! 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 Where go on?
Nothing.
You know, so around the corner, I see you doing something just compel me to call you. What's up?
I'm here.
You can tell me, sir, Natasha. What's up?
Then Natasha, my name. Sasha.
Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. You know, I must have got it confused. So, you know, can I get to know you? Tasha! 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 Tasha!
Oh.
Hey, what's up? I thought that was you. Hi.
I'm Natasha, my name. Sasha.
Oh, so I'm sorry, I must have got it confused. You know? Yeah, I saw you walking down there and I was compelled to come speak to you. Can I get your number?
Yeah. I don't know you. Who are you?
You don't remember me?
No.
I'm Epic. Nice to meet you.
From?
You really don't remember me?
I can't.
You don't remember me? I'm Epic. We got to the same registration. Remember we were registering, you were registering for cosmetology, I think, and I was doing barbering. You don't remember me? Epic?
No, I can't recall. No, I can't remember you.
Well, that's fine, you know. But still, I was admiring you from the other day and I was just wondering if I could get to know you somewhere.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from around the area, I live around here. You know, every day I saw you and I just was compelled to come speak to you right now, so.
Okay.
I wanted to try my luck. Could I get your number?
Well, maybe next time when we buck up. Maybe next time me give you it. Alright?
But we're bucking up now and like, this is the next time. I just never said anything the first time.
Alright, may I give me number? They can't call me certain time. After 8 is a no-no.
That's okay.
They get my right name, Sasha.
Alright, it was nice speaking to you.
What's up?
Yes, this is the cell phone video, people. So, may I try work on one, like, I don't know my story them set already. May I try work on one, like, single father concept kind of thing, how single father household work with him that and man looking that and him something. But, I don't know, people, I'm telling you something. As someone knows see Richie work hard, you know. Richard Brown them they do so seriously hard work because like me don't want to get one Father's Day concept thing it done for you guys where as me I say how the household or how I imagine a household to be with a single father and him daughter and him have trouble with man I look him daughter and them kind of something there. But me don't know, probably because me the police and me have one whole heap of different people that come so me have one understanding of certain things. But me think probably for the average person it's kind of difficult for them to recreate that kind of picture. So like me don't know. But I will forever be trying these things until me probably buck up on a group of people where it thing does mesh one kind of way. But me there people, me I try a thing. As you remember, I try a thing and me tour out the whole of Jamaica. And I meet new people, I film all of that, But one that I looked on a while ago is basically just a synopsis. Kind of Anjo, you can ban every young bike, please. Just ban every single one of them. Every one of them. They don't make no sense in our place. Or not ban them. Get them to take off the load muffler business there. But yeah, people, as my dad say, that is not really that one just watch if you kinda give one I just share something I play with, one kind of idea or a concept I try to develop. And then I go back to the drawing board, write up again and thing. But because I'm not posting a while, and it's because I take up this thing for myself now about more shoot full length movie. But Jaja, it rough. It rough. Especially when you alone I do it as the shooter, the director, the editor. Like when I fear head alone, the picture in a one kind of way you have to like paint out everything and shoot for editing. Yeah man, it really get tiring and all them something. Then I was so up and down and all over the place again. Yeah, but still there people, my dear man. Bless upon yourself, manners and respect for the support, Janot. And Kuno for this tremendous amount of support on I give me people. I'm not stop film. It's just that I'm not get comfortable yet, like I'm not settle down like nowhere yet or find one group of people where I feel like say yo, yeah, I can't really tell some story when I want to tell. Because I can't do comedy. My life not really have no whole heap of joke in it. So I can't really tell comedy. But anyways, enough of my chatting now. Pick up on yourself later and you know me soon. More video come man. No worry yourself. Video come. I look at I'm supposed to look this. Later. Remember to subscribe. Look more. Judge God. What going on now? Alton they over there so people so my thing I know I have to try get him out of the Alton! Where there? No tell your girlfriend that. Hi! Morning! How are you? You recognize me? Alton have to tell them so they don't have to talk to stranger my youth. Can we see? Hi. Can we see pretty baby?
Yeah, the camera.
Which other camera?
So good morning.
What a boy. Yeah, you make this a pretty baby girl, that boy.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi. Hi. Watch him. Show off, you see? Show off, you see? Show off, boy. Sultan,
Eh?
where's the way are there now?
I'm call a girl and find out.
Call a girl.
Yeah.
How we are call a girl? It's Lexi
Yeah.
from 876 Cashment TV. You know, what do you think about Lexi though? What do you think about Lexi and acting in movies?
At first, I go actually see
Or what you expect though? Based on what you see in a Cashment TV.
I
Something.
expect to get a wonderful show today.
Expect to get a wonderful show.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Definitely.
So a young miss name?
This is Mia Rain Garden.
Oh, cool. Hi, Mia. How old is she?
She's 1
Jaja, good.
plus.
Big up yourself. So, you ready now?
I'll call her, I'll find out. Let's see what the
Oh, so we are call up. So let me know. Lock me out of that place. The Chihuahua over there. Be cool. Ugly dog there. But Alton, I can't video. I can't video. Eh? I can't, I have to stay out. Okay, so for reason you probably won't understand, I gotta stay out right out there so with the camera. So you say ready now? Oh, so go time, I'm ready now. Okay, man. You come spend some time with your family. I go do it, man. So, I might do that. Forward now, pick up Lexi as I tell you before. Yeah. I haven't met Lexi ever. Kinda excited for me with her. I want to ask about the whole Tavi and World Dog and who else is there on that show there again? Tavi, World Dog, Dino Crazy, Jaja. Would that interview one D not crazy to you though? Ask him about the Hammond's canvas. As the tune the name of the hit when with that do the partner. Wicked Man Chris. Yeah. What's the man that takes a lot? Alright, so it look like a go time right now.
Alright.
You ready? Get one. Can I get a scissors? A scissor. Can I get one scissors, my boss?
See that?
Yeah.
Which one? See that?
You know, you have seen for mash up that okay.
Well. Brother, inform for me things, brother. Inform for me.
If you know something, I shoot and when certain things don't catch in the camera, I just don't catch. Yeah, inform for yourself.
Good morning.
Hi. So, a lady look like Judge Ty. But anyways, apparently them not ready yet, so we have to look a bit more waiting. But when I make no watch nothing too boring, so we have a cut as in already bloop, and then we come back, probably come back, meet up Lexi. I don't know, but now I'm not gonna watch nothing lame, so I come more for now.
Alright, so remember the pointers then. I because you're crying.
I have to watch that man first. And then
No, so yeah, you're not crying, man. Then you go to that afterwards. Man, no, I'm not crying. No, they can't do. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. Go back, check it. You understand?
Action. Alright, so people, that was before we actually meet Lexi. Now at this point, we do a movie and everything already. Richie there edit it up over there, so what do I think of Lexi? Someone tell me. We'll ask some people first. Hey, Popeye. Yeah. Did you work with Lexi? Did you get a chance to work with Lexi? Did you meet her?
You could ask me that question. What a wonderful joy. I love that girl. I know Lexi a long time before Lexi. First I was friend with Lexi a long time before.
Oh, I didn't know her before we go pick her up.
I know her before she's up.
876 or something.
Before that and before social.
How long you know Lexi from when?
From she just started off in a YouTube.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about her work ethic and her acting and all of that?
I'm not gonna lie, she's bad.
She bad?
I know. I want to promote her in one of the movies that I'm doing. So
Oh.
Lexi, stay tuned.
Oh, alright. So tell me what you think. So tell me what you think, man. Yo, brown one.
Hey bro, what's going on?
You did get work with Lexi?
No, you know, so we never get to know see no Lexi though.
You meet her though?
Yeah, we meet her, she's a nice person.
Oh.
Actually, you know, she's not a bad person.
Did you watch? You didn't watch Cashman TV 876? You watch it?
No, I didn't watch it.
Oh, cool. Me see her never meet Lexi yet. Richie not there for me ask him my thing about Lexi. Me think if I ask I got reserve in your opinion, so can't ask him nothing either. But me think about her? I like work with her. Like I like acting with her.
Yeah.
Me know I can't manage her as a director. I can't manage her as a director, but apart from that acting, Yeah. It's amazing girl. Nice work with her work ethic up. Yeah, big up yourself, Lexi. Alright, that, little more. Big up on yourself. And yes, movies are come, but as time goes by, and with the lockdown, things, movies are come. Don't worry yourself. Just stay loyal, click the notification bell, subscribe for your first time, and definitely stay tuned, man. We are upgrading things. So you know, so when you upgrade it takes some time. Even when you upgrade a computer or your phone, it takes some time and then restart. And, yeah, so that's a going. Some movies are come. Don't worry on yourself. Make sure you subscribe, you know, and hit the notification bell and share the content. Check out previous content for previous videos for entertaining content. Look more. Morning people, so I don't know what time it is. But I get some behind the scenes from Richard, bro. Yeah, come on. See, this way.
This one here look like he enjoyed him, yeah.
Who?
Him.
Yeah,
Like him look like him and say, oh, I'll give Galaxy.
No, like,
Galaxy time.
I do not like licking, you know.
Time up Galaxy.
But when a woman sexy and must slap you, every time you slap your body by the jerk, you feel good in yourself because one slap every time you Oh.
Oh, okay, alright, time up there.
No, Kayo, you might get the best friend of dirty dog. I do not like the lick though. But you get the same thing to the front of your face. I just have to laugh if it makes you feel too good. Everything done up teeth. That's what one say about the reaction, you know.
Sure, what
Curious in a total control. I just you for make sure I say this.
Curious not total control?
Yeah, that's the normal thing man talk about.
Oh, okay. No, I like them things, but I just don't like lick.
So you don't like lick now?
No, only one lick a woman must lick her and I. As a Rastafari, I'm a king. You know what I mean?
You're
Right.
man solid ground.
Yeah, Rasta a bonfire for them thing.
No, you get your tongue to use it. Where you go lick with it though? I have a lot of things on me you can lick.
No input, Mr.
I
Bro.
know somebody lick.
I'm just here to direct.
Okay.
Now somebody lick
I
it, you
don't
know.
indulge in those type of conversations.
No, bonfire upon certain things are wrong. Yeah, things you must not lick. There are things that you must not lick, you know, you have to have a boundary. But there are things that you can lick.
Yeah, man, I'm a child of God. I don't indulge in certain type of conversation. I leave them to the Burlians.
Rasta was all the world, yeah.
No, you're not the world, man, I'm part of the world. It's just that. Because this is love is a wonderful thing, you know. Where life is concerned. Come on, say I live for, really. No matter how much money you have, you can't make you feel good.
Can't
Can we get it what?
Lexi. So meanwhile I fix up the place. Let's talk about the movie for
There's
them.
some money can't make it
You
what?
see, last time I did talk about the movie, you guys said me chat about the movie. You
No,
said
no,
me
good.
and chat about the movie.
No, they must talk. I'm here to talk to this one now, so it's good that you can talk.
I just enjoy
Talking.
you know,
You just enjoy beat him
I
up.
enjoy it.
Okay.
And the sweat, you know, like everything.
You like it,
Remember,
sir?
the slavery thing is the white people whip the black people.
I enjoy it.
And that you like?
Nah, you hurt me. I want to buy my country.
Go on and that shit. Ready?
Yeah, take revenge all of the woman them out there.
Everybody, remember, I said, making call him and apologize.
Yeah, man, that was in there, man, you know. And then they will call a friend.
Where you going? Give me a gun.
You go down like bed, man,
Yeah.
right in there. So you take a chance from where you sleep now, you wake up, but a dog, you wake up before she, you know. Because we were there, try to pull it. Try to take a teeth and try to pull off one of them. You see, you can go down there. Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
I try to pull it. And man, get up, man, so what you do? If you pull off one hand, pull one
I see me
hand.
go up.
When you pull off one hand, you get up. Go on the inside. Oh, look at here. I treat us like green I come from. Where green I come from here?
Green?
Green I come in here.
Green?
Oh, I like it. Oh.
No man, something on here still, but
Come here, son. Green look.
Green again.
shampoo.
One is stubborn, no ras. Look at the shampoo. You can put shampoo in the head. You can put in the head. Where shampoo there? Oh, you rough there. You bomb up like the shampoo in the head now. You look on the camera and say, is it? No, pick up still. Don't pick up so much. Ready, let's go.
No, that was. Go on, sleep. Let me get that.
Alright, mama.
Not your altar, you're ready.
Fully sleep. Oh, you sleep, you want thing in your mouth? No.
No, man, that's not
That's you sleep sexy.
Yeah, if you watch it. So I can't turn my back. So
Yeah, I feel watching, man.
I watch.
Contact second.
You got phone and go use my car. You take the phone and my car. Oh, you use your phone.
I feel phone even make call what you want.
Yeah, credit for your phone.
Jackie, me soon call
Yeah,
you.
no,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
nice.
here, me call you, me soon call you back.
Bam, and you try to call your phone on the
Yeah,
credit.
phone call.
I'm going to use your phone. So I'm going to call your friend if you don't know your number.
Oh shit, my phone have credit.
So now credit of your phone to somebody who want it.
Yeah, me drop off something early.
You mean phone then?
So now if somebody, and if one look at shade, find that you call
Yeah,
somebody.
me have video, me soon call you back. Me soon call
You
you
can
back.
call somebody, no, you call some girl number in your phone and say I'm sorry. We can call them for you like a prank call and that damn. Any woman answer just say, oh, I'm sorry. For what? For everything that I've done. Bam, him up it. You know what I mean?
I'm not three segment.
Alright, so what I want to know, can I borrow this for a minute? In the meantime, Sham can do some writing.
Yeah, make sure it's somewhere.
Write someone, you
Yeah,
know.
but in the next page.
Alright,
So
go on,
that
sleep.
page.
Man, start. Sleep, like me.
Just write on your master number.
Yeah, man.
Susie, Antoinette, Patricia,
So like a young girl, that I mean.
Stacy,
There's Susie.
Valerie,
Write them across them on here. Like a girl, let me go through. Right pants.
Shannon Dory.
Don't put the real number in the car. You go call, you know.
Sleep Alton, sleep. So when you sleep Alton now, are you about I will start child police up here. Is the add Shannon Tour name funny? Shannon Tour.
You look like you enjoy that too much though. You enjoy yourself way too much with that thing there.
What you call on it?
I'm hungry.
What?
No, I'm hungry.
What?
I'm hungry. Yeah.
Good and hungry.
Yes.
Wait, one of pulling Alton. Yeah, but
You good man, but now if invite her, get up, you go up on it now. You good man. Loose off all the man. Loose off all the foot too.
No, no, give me so much work, man.
No, listen.
Make you lose it and them and was about to lose it.
The bite time you lose it, yeah, get up. Guys, what you want them say, rascal, they're nervous. Yo, girl, wake up. Girl, get up. You want them that night also. Jog it slow. Make people get the time to say that. Girl, get up.
Still go back in your sleep. Meanwhile,
Go in your
man,
sleep.
meanwhile, man, So Alton, pretend like you pull your foot and then go down to the arm. Pretend like you put your hand and then go to your foot.
You put one on her, you know. So
Ground your foot now.
This is the
Ground
next
your
one.
foot. Stay in the character, man. Stay in the character, please. Yeah, go on down and pull. Yeah, hold on, don't move over this out there. Like, see, this time you can probably wake up here.
Yeah.
Sorry, sleep. Action.
Not so fast, right?
I'm gonna write this up. Things are not so fast again.
Go down and then come up again. Go down.
Like you enjoy.
You love that scam, man. And the viewers them go love them type of girl.
Banana, what? Alright, now let's see.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, see a man.
Yeah, no, Jamie, yeah. Ready.
Not so fast. Think you're good.
No, man, shouldn't put on shouldn't put on a gun. We have put on a gun.
You just feel frightened. You just feel frightened like you take up your gun for sure.
No, man, what about the gun, man? We have put on a gun.
Hold more time up.
Yeah?
Hold more time up back. Yeah, I'm telling you to take up your hand and I'm telling you to
Yeah, tell him.
So I can put them.
Okay.
Ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Take back your hand. Take back your hand them. Move fast.
We can't take.
Take back your hand them. Tie up one hand. No.
I'll get your brother got that out. I'm ready.
Before you think you're alone.
Yeah, enjoy this to be towards you. Wait.
Oh, that didn't ice cream. See, man, I after me. I'll leave me for the canary gun now.
Bad time, see me. Put that on a serious face.
Oh, yeah.
Ready, don't sing. Ready, on recording. How is it shine, Alton? Your face with so shine.
Add up yourself.
You eye up with you, Alton? Oh.
No man, I look at your daddy, not my idea.
I'm not on my like this.
You know what long is Alta? and I set the fine tune for the date. That's
Months, you know, get nothing. No dog years.
when they fly past.
Yeah, let her rope.
Good.
I just rope a rat.
Rat in your foot.
Should I just cut off these out?
Ready now?
Alright, so what we have for answer?
Alright, so what I work at that teacher amount.
But I say, I could just indicate I should get one new one and use it. Because it's better use this one last one.
No, you can't do that.
Turn around.
Find it on them.
No, enough for you to pull out.
Hey, just imagine the one. Our company will come here. They set up in nice like our official pastry place, you know, man. I want them to find people, you know. They have to find a good thing and they not to go beach up nothing, you know. Night are fine and nice.
Hello? Cameras are still rolling.
Are the phone done shoot last night?
No, we don't shoot.
We don't shoot
No, man,
early.
you don't see the tree.
No,
Who?
no, not so late.
I'm going to wait for a plan.
Now we there, we
They're
go.
on the phone.
They're going to phone and go be last. And they will not go wait me up saying they go some.
Don't wake up. What do you want to do?
No, in the scratch my bar with charge and something.
Think you're trying to leave?
No, it ain't because I ain't get them saying over.
Some of them are come up to you. But you in there, I'm going.
Alright? Here we go.
So you have to go to that again.
What?
Oh,
No, man.
Oh.
You go on time, that's the time, man. Loose off, so you can do work here. Open up, what your number? What your password? Pull a phone. Come with the idea this morning. You go to apologize to all of the women them where you heard.
YouTube update the Instagram.
Alright? So that's basically what we're going to do. Everybody understand?
Yeah.
So this is...
Never update the school.
So this is our
No,
room.
everything there bottom, we just click over.
I feel our room is not room.
No, I'll tell you.
I
don't
think
know.
one become in a room.
They come in our room. How do you come in our room?
But you put the rope in our pocket, in our pocket.
No, room there,
Oh, we should
man.
look in Nigeria and find it.
You find a
I
room?
don't take it down pocket, so you have to walk with extra. You know?
No, man. So your sister go come. Make you book the rope in our room. So you can book the rope in this year and say if you not do, you know, if you not do what I tell you to do, this is more rope in Nigeria. Hey, man, here.
From the table and fast.
So,
Table and fast.
when you say you're going to make a call, you say no to that.
Look up, look up.
Okay? And if a boss is gunshot, people go hear it. That thing go say. You understand? So you want to have conversation. So you go tell him that you say, oh, you're not going to call them, you're not apologize to them. So, and if you fire everybody go here, everybody wake up in the morning, no. You know what I mean? If you want to go to prison. So you may go to prison for you. Because you know I'm very different. But anyway, you go find rope, you go in Nigeria to cut on a rope. And then you can tie around the neck now and say everyone out. You can't just hang your hand out, nobody not do it. And at the same time when you say that now, that after you're going to say, you make a call them. So you let rope on the neck and start make a call them. You start calling and start apologize to them. So you go call so random somebody out your phone, you're a female. When they answer, when the speaker you say, yo, I'm sorry. No matter what the man said, when you say for what, you're not explain. Bam, you know. You know what I mean? That more have to do, you just get your number. You must have 10 woman number on your phone. So you call them and say sorry. When do you talk to them about that? Alright, let's go.
Must have 10 woman number in your phone. Come.
That job sometime.
So
And
you
then,
call real people for sure?
yeah, you can read people here.
Real woman.
So how them are going to know what to say?
Then
In a matter.
they must say for what? That way that say, somebody can't say sorry, what's it for?
Oh.
I like what I say, what you going to say?
Say we explain to them later why.
Yeah, if I say sorry, hang up, bam. You go to the next one. Who on the language you ever work with? You don't have no time to explain to nobody.
If you just write out your number out on phone, then I'll probably have a full book.
No, 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 industry. Don't take a phone and call.
Alright, so let's transition into the next thing. Let's transition.
Alright, where we there now? When last thing you should have while ago?
Time up. So you have to go back for your gun now, okay? You never.
Yeah, go back to your gun now. Take up a gun and say, you
So
know.
register.
You know, say me, yeah.
My baby.
Say, take up a gun now.
Pretend like that. Time up and go back for your
And go for your gun and then say, you know, say me have a right idea. You go apologize to every one of the woman them where you hurt.
Ready?
If you say no, you know, and you take one fist in the bed. No, you can't take fist in the bed. One fist in the belly if you say no, you know, then I go for the rope. You hear me? One fist in the belly, then I go for the rope for hanging.
One fish in my belly.
One fist, one fist in my hand. That's the one. When you say no, you know, do it, you know, apologize, because you want time to have to apologize. Don't, you're like, can't you know, we can't work with you. You love me too much. But I won't come and forget
You want to viewers feeling.
So, when I hear it, I'm telling you, text only.
After the viewers, them are
And it depends on what handle
the
it.
viewers, them are watching. If viewers, them are watching.
I can't know how to take one lick, but I know how to take everybody. So when I say, we do all
No, I don't want to do. We just want to do.
Yo. Video.
Yeah, I like how this is gonna keep on us.
Let's go! Who can't talk it them out, tired?
Yeah.
Last time somebody get one lick, me say, you know mine. Yes.
Ready?
Like, what with you? Like, it's ready. Check out some of your face. Alright, ready.
You know me have a right idea for you. Me go make you call. Me go make you call every one of them woman there where you hurt, and you go apologize to each and every one. Where put it?
We come across something.
Put your name on it, son. Don't worry.
We know when you go through.
As much in cross off?
Look on the first page too. I did write the first page last night.
I'm on a journey.
Somebody in here already did on my page, like Lisa, Shelly.
I know Lisa. Oh shit, no Lisa.
If you have man who do that?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I've heard about
Yeah, man, tell her.
I have book with me.
Yeah, I read some.
Even for the book, you
But I think like a show thing. Yeah, I mean a show, but he there Jamaica too.
Woman do it.
So you feel like
A
that?
woman do it too. Me think them sitting around with them though, like.
Yeah.
You think say me not think that normal somebody ever do that.
Ego got something wrong with you.
Sitting at
You say
You want woman do
Yeah.
it?
around with
You want woman do it? Something wrong with her?
Everybody have a mental
We all
problem.
agreed with that.
You
Yeah.
want woman do it?
What's
Something wrong with her? Woman not do them something.
Write it.
Everybody have mental problem, or some people have mental problem.
Everybody have, each and every one
You have no
have to
mental
have a
problem.
men. That's what you think. Like me talk to myself and answer back.
No,
Like me play two
no,
character with myself. Something wrong with that, may I tell you?
that not weird.
Something wrong with that.
That is not weird.
Yes, if I
Because of what you
listen
do.
to me. Yes, if I talk to yourself, it good. But if I answer back,
Yo, tap your watch it
something
for
wrong with you. You
yourself.
can't play a second character with yourself. Like something is definite.
So-
Like me with there, so me say, yo, you know, say.
Someone is there, you know.
No, me there, so me say, you know, say, I fuck with that. Me there. No, man, you crazy. I good thing you do. Two character, me I say right there, say. Two character.
You have split personality.
Yeah.
That is just eccentric, being eccentric. Nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, so Joker dead. So Joker dead. Joker play a character too good and dead.
Nice movie.
Yeah, remember that kill him?
In the movie or real life?
You see the Joker and play? He take him over. He start do it in a real life. And he kill him. So
Same
all
also.
when he dey on set and he might behave like he did that happen for you and nobody not realize.
What, Lexi?
And he kill him.
As I thought
Too
about
much
that, you know.
character.
As I thought about that, I kind of remind me of Harley Quinn, smartly.
Wait a minute, who that is? Who is that?
Joker girlfriend?
I watch Joker woman.
Oh, my
Something
girl,
like
my
that.
girl.
Oh, I'm trying to cross them over.
She good man, she good. She
Yeah.
good. A
I
Joker
just
person.
cross out the name on the one.
Alright, come, put it
That's
down.
good man. Remember my name, Dominic. It's on the list.
So you get cross out on this?
Yeah man, my name Dominic.
Dominic Terry, though.
Alright, put it on this. Get the price.
I just say book did that last night. Me could have gone to bed and put it here. I need the show and the fire.
Lock the door behind.
Fire! You know come back out there, sir. So all that the door there. So all you right there.
So what we have to know, we have to do transition and we call them then
I book more for more like that.
Yeah man, yeah, what me I say though, one for now have a thing where your phone fear ring, your sister call you. You not take the
Who
call.
don't ring phone?
Me go ring.
Alright. And make sure that.
Yeah, but no.
Oh, yeah, sister.
You know, answer
Why
just
sister?
a ring.
She
You want to ring or not?
No, answer.
Mary.
You want to answer my sister. Do you answer my sister no? Yes, answer what? You answer like you go answer my sister. You tell your sister you get there. You know what I mean? About the case you know we can't answer.
So my phone there, so for true.
You know what I mean? So when you find number answer my sister, you know say now we can answer it.
I'm about if me just go look pan and now we can answer.
I know answer.
That's it.
No, we can answer. We can go out and done.
Yeah.
And the call
So me
back,
not
you
be
go
something
out.
thing like say.
No, him want answer. Which answer what?
Oh.
You feel say, can I answer that for me? Answer my sister. Maybe answer urgent. You don't care about your sister, you know. This is a mission get one. So just make it call them. Make it call me by the time because I like them want to run through the time.
Yeah man, we not
You ready now?
Are you lucky door?
No, make it call them. Now give me something. Go to some more listen.
Alright, so come up front and what we need to see. Take that cup there, take that cup.
Okay, we can come back. So we don't worry about that. I become.
No, I told you seen in this.
See.
No, that means I'm Mr. Come come as well.
Okay. Start by us up with Missy lighting.
Maybe walking I see.
We see ceiling the white was here. But I'm going nice, look a bounce off. You know, it's not more just like just.
So after that, now the roof call, I was sending sister come. After I call a couple times, well, I was sending her come. After that, you don't come. After that.
I walk in, come back, come out.
Somebody a good one. You don't want to do that.
I always people do. Why we can't meet back?
Right, come on, no talking if you want maintain the audio.
I'm ready, what about?
No talking. Ready. Step back again. Step back again.
Next front type book.
I'm not this side front. Oh. You want to do that part?
Come back and walk here. Ready?
You still not there?
Then next front, first page.
Oh.
Ready now.
Ooh.
What are you writing down?
Oh, little dog.
Poverty no real is a mental whip.
Action.
For two?
It's true. It's very true.
You believe it?
No, you're sitting already now. That's why I look at you. You think you're normal? See, each and every one of them. Yeah, but come on now. You know why you stutter either. Here? First one up on the list is Ashley. Make sure you have energy. Because you see, just as how you have energy to hurt them, more you have energy when you apologize. You know what I tell you? Answer me. Answer me. Answer.
Yes.
When are you for your car?
Well, let me get that shit and do the wire.
Shampoo.
You have a shampoo in it for?
No, shampoo. No, a shampoo.
Go on.
You feel it?
Oh, I'm going to give a jumping.
Can I wash me?
Alright, so just talk to me. Let's get some facial expression on your face. Now before you grab it, like before you look up on her eye, some facial expression.
Okay. Go and talk to me.
Not necessarily.
Yeah.
Grab me.
Ready now? It's all me I tell him if it's sorry now. Say sorry. No, I need sorry, me say.
What if I just...
I want to make you say
If
Say
it
yes.
tell a girl them
yeah,
sorry.
that's something man going to
Answer.
Ready now? Answer. Answer. You say if you answer.
Sorry.
Say yes.
Yes. Alright, good. When somebody will call him?
Yeah, I remember.
Fire!
Where for?
There you go, man. Just get your
Where for?
On the phone right now.
You recording it?
I am.
You're not feeling need to make me know when you're recording.
Okay.
Can't sue you.
But you wouldn't.
You gotta change the number in your phone to sister.
How will I call you?
I don't know. I have a number in another phone. Give me a number.
867.
83.
My record. What that?
Come, me no nobody have a number. Right, hold on. We'll pause and come back.
Camera out. Great.
Look at you. Sweeping like a fat hog.
Internet gone now. Apparently, you get this
Remember what
So
we said that, you know?
like a fat hog.
Okay.
Alright,
Ready.
Come on again, man. Come in quick. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I make a come ready.
You man, ready in action.
Look at you. Such a shame. God, you know, see a man.
Just answer it.
You know, if
I'm
it's
a
a
sister. I'm a sister.
No, yeah.
Answer it. I'm a sister.
No, no, the man said that. Very good. Very good. And if you want to put sis tonight, you
But the one, it's 69 still for you look more.
put sis tonight, so right here, you know?
No, him not do it. Let me do it here.
Put it in fast. Look at that.
Hey, don't use up your one.
You.
You guys ain't talking, man.
No believe.
Yeah, it's for sure.
Dan, if you have a talking on the phone, I say,
Hold on, when you say use a tongue up on your phone.
You're smart enough.
if you don't talk on the phone, if you don't have the phone.
This is Richard Brown. Open that before the house.
What is the last name? I've read it.
Can I watch us move out of? I said move out of watch it, Batman.
Some of them.
How much one of them?
Depends. You look one good watch, you look one $200 for.
You see me?
$200.
Yeah, but I'm buying watch it 200 years.
That's not a nice watch. Go cost
Real
more.
gold one.
Nice watch costs more than 200.
A real gold one, so yeah, from birthday.
Michael, can I get Michael a course in that?
Ready? Go.
I'm ready.
Police are coming on. Answer.
Shut up. Shut up.
Them are go suspect.
Shut up!
Them are go suspect, say me.
Say the card one more time. Bust it there.
If they call me,
Shut up.
if they call me, I don't get me, them a come around here, you know. If you know, you let me go. Okay.
Why your sister took so long to answer?
Let me answer it now. What the hell if she tell my mother she a call and I'll get? Dominic, listen.
Shut up! And we're going to start with Ashley first.
Listen.
Here?
Listen to me. You know say me hurt you, but this what you do is wrong. This is wrong. And I don't want to see you go to jail.
No, you make it card. You make it card.
Oh,
You make it card.
I think more put on hand.
No. You know, I give no something to grab and
yeah.
buy. Because you grab it and when I start squeezing.
Start taking this shit.
Yeah, that's what I can let loose. Alright, ready now? Start off
No, you don't we don't need to go back. I'm saying that get the car.
Alright, so
Talk to her and say, oh, this is the wrong way I do, you know.
so what more you do? Open the phone, make you can go on the phone and make some call and daddy.
No, we just get funny now, just in case. Come on, just sit down while I go to my room.
Alright,
Sit
right.
down, I'm ready.
Dominic, what you're doing is wrong.
What you do to those other women?
Dominic,
That not wrong.
listen, it was intentional.
You sound stupid. You sound real stupid. You sound real stupid.
Can you just
Shut up. Shut up. Because the more you talk, the more you just get me aggravated. Shut up. Shut up.
Dominic, listen.
I just gotta save it right now, because I just want to squeeze it. I just gotta save you.
Dominic, me do some things, but it wasn't intentional. And this, if we got jail, Dominic, I don't want to see you go to jail.
Sorry. Put in the pool.
If we put it in, Dominic,
Put in the pool and shut up. We're just getting started.
Dominic,
Put in the code.
it's open. It's open. What you're doing is wrong.
What is wrong? What made wrong? Look at all the name here and number. People innocent. Girl child, look there. Look at this, Nate. Nate, look at this. Ashley.
It's not me who made me this way, no. It's God who made me this way, and I can't help it.
You trying to give a joke or something?
I'm not trying to give a joke.
I'm not trying to play Prime Minister. God who made it.
Oh, God made it.
God created,
Oh, great chat about that, mate. You're not God the first girl.
God created this for man.
True, man.
Don't listen to him. Get him a play too much like character. Go. Ready?
Alright.
First girl, Ashley. 58338.
She deserved.
Alright, doctor, double eyes. Ready now.
I know what woman answer
Double
that.
eyes, ready? Action.
Got me a break. You're gonna apologize like you never apologized before.
Wait, open now. I know man on the couch.
Yeah.
Open now man inside now.
Just take number to the
Another
phone.
two, it's
Take
service.
the number to my
Nah,
phone
ring.
now.
Take some number to the
Lay
phone.
on my phone.
Okay,
Just
okay.
lay on my phone and call some number.
What, Abby?
Call on. Let's call.
This not your services. Not your services.
The
Yeah,
signal
I
number.
go call them on WhatsApp.
Call them on WhatsApp.
Go ahead and WhatsApp.
Alright.
Any females in the call them, it doesn't matter. They're not going to name them. They're not going to name them.
I'm sorry.
Ready, let's go.
Sure.
What's going on, guys?
Don't call on WhatsApp.
Alright, Mel.
No.
Ale.
No, go ahead and
Drop the blood clot. Yes, man.
Please don't do this.
Apologize properly.
Should they work? Should they work with you?
Call on.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You know, like yours.
You.
No, hide the one iPhone.
No, I don't have full on iPhone. I listen to if you want it.
Yeah, that's the speaker. Let's hide the one iPhone. No, man.
I go from a cast, man. I go from a cast, man.
Ring it back. Just ring it back.
I'm gonna ring back.
Yeah, let's ring
You have to
back.
tell him.
No, hide the iPhone. I can't put one on the one.
We're not neighbors.
But at least I don't work off, I know. Because put the phone as I see Mike.
Oh,
and so.
yeah.
We're not going like to understand. So, no. So you can hear it, the start, man. Just to say.
Just say, yo, I'm sorry, you know, baby. I'm serious.
Alright.
Say it loud.
Yeah, you have to just worry. They are action. They are curious.
I'm sorry, babe. Babe, I'm sorry. Ashley. Ashley.
The one is a device. Good. That one is good. Don't not stop laugh. Come here, go to that in the car.
On the good, not top laugh.
Don't stop laugh.
I ready
Ready
again.
again.
More say next first, not call you. I'm sorry. Ready again.
You can't say no car easy in the chat.
Lisa.
Cover green right now.
They are work.
Shut up.
She's a Christian.
A Christian woman too.
Pretty deep by that, you know. You know, even as a film phone. This is always now. I don't know if man can have phone.
So brother, how you say you have woman I mean in real life I can't find no man for?
Just call one and answer though.
If you not answer no.
No, if you know, we don't want
I
to.
don't told them to you.
She's not really naked, people.
I'm naked.
No.
I tell them something.
Go away. Go away. Sabron. Exhausted as blouse and skirt. John, already I know though.
Yeah, man.
And then we have a legendary Malachi over there, so soldier man. Big up yourself. So Lexi, the best. What go on? Talk to the people when I'm on. Yeah, that look tough, you know? Go and find me on Lexi's snap.
Look, I saw you know.
Like when me a salute.
I saw her.
Oh, people, Lexi can't make tea.
What?
No, I tell them say I can't make breakfast.
Oh.
So it's a nice toast
That
bread and all
regular
this.
something that's
A regular you used to fi make breakfast for other people
Yes.
and get it right all the time, so?
not right all the time, but we get it right.
Oh.
My wife not here, but I cannot reach it if I want to.
Say that again. I am.
We say I want to about them.
But I cannot reach it. I can act bitchy. Act like I am not a wife material.
Okay. Okay, gotcha. So, you tell me about the movie, because I'm not think Richie, no. What are you supposed to do? What was
We
supposed to
already do this
happen?
already for this same movie, Friend Zone. So why are we doing it a second time?
No, we never do this part. Like when I'm tired of the...
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, basically, you know, I'm being a friend zone no more. You want love. You want love and affection.
I love that though.
You want love and affection. You want to get intimate.
Yeah.
You start make your private part rolling. You don't want a good friendship no more. And that's the thing. Sometimes you force what you want to. Funny not meant to be, force it.
I come and do one little role
friend
play.
for 15 years.
Like me and some more things on them. Supposed to depend on autofocus, but I use this to focus. So I'm sure I've tried my Ackeen skills and problems.
Good on little bit.
Yo.
Good now?
Yeah.
Alright, so...
Remember something doing a shoot, you know?
Then ruin it, people.
Alright, I'm going to send the going over there. Oh. Well now?
Somebody, Tanya Steve expose one artist who abuse her.
In the name?
Okay,
We
we
say
say
we-
last week, man, to come
We
down
know what she-
to the film with
just-
the grandest, the one thing and none, but come down early enough. So.
Then go stand in a Richard, which is.
In the meantime, let's explore the restroom.
Shoot this in there.
Let's hold that and make it.
Nice bathroom, people. Clean and pretty. You know, minimalist thing. Nice air freshener and thing over there. So, lights up there. And the shower no look bad. Let's see if we can look in at how this work now. So I saw it. Oh,
You're gonna make your phone ring?
see in from this end. Have a look in there.
Who are the washrooms?
Don't look bad. I want
What does that
to.
call along to come back? I can't go to.
Nice little bathroom, man.
I want the same thing one day still. Remember? You have to sit down on the first.
Sorry, first.
I have sit down.
Eh?
Let's not sit down.
I wish I were there.
Over the sun.
Oh, wait.
I want to make it the first call.
No, understand. We ask him, ask him.
Alright, chill by yourself. Come, get yourself ready. What you going to say? I got to something that's come for us now.
AC breeze. I'm just want to hear it now, camera. Oh.
You can't put it on.
I'll make you wait.
There we
So you just
go.
know, I fix up myself. Hey, phone already. You go back and shit up on the phone. On the phone. I want to start talk. Hello. Sometimes when you get up on fire and you go with an American, when you go to see it, it's sound. You know it's right.
No, I'm not saying safe. Oh, you mean, oh, you know, I'm talking on the phone. Okay. Oh, well, yeah, man. I'll look in your car, make sure, say, you can space some
You
time.
try to
Put your voice
I
on telephone.
I can do already.
Then,
First one do I'm part already.
yeah, no,
But my emo.
edit, not edit, say, no.
Only chilling
Yeah,
in the
no, so just, yeah, space.
So just like the high sound if you got the car.
No, I'm not really six on the video, so you play from. You know, anyway, what you just have to hear what you actually hear you are saying. Yes.
Yeah, well, the country, that can't spin good. My national spin. Yeah, work. I come straight to us and come to the board. Alright, take the next one.
Zine, so run through a little bit. What going on, so? Like a wrestling or some kickboxing, whatnot. Okay. Look like this belongs to the Indian culture. Find out somewhere over India there. And they know what to do. Turn down my eyes so look a bit. Boom over here, so same way. I think we're supposed to go back in and nigga look for this. Man, they hook up business on TV.
Yeah. Well, the bathroom.
Yeah. There's not a lot of mashup.
Well, we have a team to be know that because they are still in the place. The fine shirt.
Yeah, man, sure. Thank you. Yeah, call me now, yeah.
No, man, the sir can come back now.
Sorry.
We have go downstairs.
This, my friend, is a fixed 35 lens.
Oh shit, man, I can't no, oh, come on, now. Yeah, we're not one. But very new.
Come on, ready, yeah? Ready?
Hold on.
I never two more than you can come on.
Maybe I see a black cat, I see a black panty.
That's tight, not underwear.
As a panty to leave, girl. What you doing?
Ready?
Hold on. Alright, let's see. We're going to do a test shot, so
It's right there for now.
I'll just come from the bathroom and ready. Oh, but if I ring your phone, I ring it, I straight the phone, I go to.
I got this.
When I get pressing, I ring, I'm going to get the song afterwards. Can't shoot around this, I'm going to start refreshing that. Right, yeah, so.
That's Lexi's doing.
Myself, me and see, so I'm going to try to avoid the shot, me and see myself. Already know Lexi.
Hello?
Hello?
Wait, what? Sorry. Want me to talk about it?
I can't talk to you, I'm sorry, just talk to me. Just hold on.
Who is you?
The same person I talk, you don't know me.
So are you a talent?
I'm going to call you already, so I'm going to call you now and tell you what you did.
Oh, so you're
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, let's leave her to the baby one. So after when she get a call, what she ever do?
You have a straight.
Oh, should I go run like you heard from
So she's going to take on some clothes and now, and that's what she got on her skull. She's not take off her some of her hair.
Oh, okay. Alright, so after we do that now, let's see. You just run like you can run go for some clothes. We're going to go back and I watch you for some
Stand clothes, fast. One shot, you go like fast. Take up your hands on.
Oh, so you're going there?
Yeah, the clothes on that way ready for you, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, just jump to it, I'm already know. So you just look like you're ready for dancing.
The lock by the lock.
Alright, ready?
Hello?
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 I'm only going to say this second time.
No, I'm sorry. I feel like you're about to mind.
And that is it.
Come on, you're about to mind here. Go, go, go.
Alright.
Don't go again. Don't go to the night. Go up again. Let me just run one big shot. Rather than big shot. So like, it's really shot is long and very kind of that one.
Let the door open. Leave the door
I already know.
open.
Hello?
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 Yeah, this is me for the last time. I think you're wondering and you're confused, but what I'm saying is real. Your friend, Ackeen, your boyfriend then, one place over by your grandmother house, down on the bottom floor, tied up, and don't ask who I am. You see my nose, the number is private, so just do what you got to do.
Wait, first of all, who is this? Hello? Hello?
Them nice.
Oh,
Keep on seeing this.
so take out the picture.
Oh, man,
No, like you didn't call.
Yes, sir, different.
Different. That's the message. That's the run of the screen cap like the car.
oh.
And then we have to more than the screen cap. When you do the screen cap. Here, control.
I'm ready to show that I'm going
Alright, go up
You know,
and
this is what is it called?
next time when I go to that bathroom, I say I'm here, okay?
Alright. Tell me I have to go for this one.
No, we're not looking for them.
Really?
Of course.
Alright.
Stop it, stop it, stop it.
Lexi.
Alright, you're going out, Robo. You're going. I'm ready. Alright, good. So this is the time on a straight watch and then we're going to put it. And then probably buck him up on high and
You guys go there.
Okay. Alright, turn right there. Right, so straight down to them.
Okay, we did exactly what you did. So I'm going to go there.
Oh, but now we're not talking on me.
Yeah. You can never start with talking.
The whole time they must call him saying, "Can I shoot this?"
We can't set on the different now. I'm enough time now. We can't take 2 sleep to one.
The shooting life. You enjoy the shooting life?
I am.
Yeah?
I like making these videos. Behind the scenes.
Why you like making videos?
Because them so candid.
Hmm?
At the end of the day, capture the real you people.
It capture what?
It candid means like when you mess up, you mess up. So like all the flaws, all the realness is captured. Yeah.
I true that. That's true still. Sometimes you're tired, trust me. You know, I should go over one scene at 50 times. You know that exhausting and frustrating.
Tell me.
I don't like that. That was one shot.
So what I do now? What next? I'll do my dad listen.
Eh?
I'll do my thing, my dad listen really.
What are you going to know?
Mm-hmm.
We are going to go and follow you. Okay, you tired with 2 men.
Oh.
Right?
Call boy left on the camera. This is the new Z5 people. See, it'll get old or old looking. Right, that's what I talk about. Z5 right there. It's Nikon. Turn off, save battery. These microphones, I don't know what particular I'm using them for in relation to movies. I can probably use as prop, but I'll probably good at the weddings as well. Well, not probably. Light batteries, as you can see, well deteriorated. I want some more. Yeah.
Yo, here. Look what should I see.
Oh, that thunder?
Yeah, look good on the fire and stuff. Probably need some scenes with me and you. Some more scenes with me and you. Maybe I tell Curious, what could I do with the scene? Could I have you hide a watch it?
Okay.
Really?
Oh, the little vial from the movie, people. So them little vial where them throwing an Alton mounted whatever make him sleep for however long. Right there.
I just want to fuck you. I've done 2000. I have to spank you.
What did I tell you about it being candid, eh? What did I tell you?
That's why you not get no views. Keep with them, because you not get no views. No nonsense.
You will learn over time.
You know, some people never learn.
Yeah, some people. Me I get in a character, you know? Always a stalky and all them things.
You're innocent.
I'm really innocent for chewing, you know? But yo, like I'm not, you know, want to reach a mobile today, no, no.
Are we ready now? I don't know. Richard! Yeah. Remember I want to leave.
Huh?
Remember I want to leave now.
You have to leave.
Yeah, that's something.
Alright, so I'll can shoot then.
I'll have to shoot the scene right there.
Alright, let me get my little slippers.
I'll have to shoot the scene right now. You see me, I see all the viewers.
There they are. Whew, interesting. So, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, or sanitizer there. I need to start incorporate this in the bathroom, you know, sanitizer. Yeah. I'll do soap would work same way, I guess. Yeah. I don't know, look at something for you know, never mind, come on. Time to go to my scene.
Like, two years and two design.
More people who come and say they want to fix this.
That's too much fashion.
Where you buy my brother Louis Vuitton with polo from? Where two of them come in?
We don't pick up on those two out there.
Eh?
You know the
Why two of them? Why two of them come in? I said,
You know, see that trend?
I said, no,
I don't mean who buy a problem. I people who make it. I problem.
I said, no, brother.
I don't mean who buy a problem. I personally
But
make
it's a
it.
polo Vuitton.
You must say a polo Vuitton.
Just take up me
They can't know which style them are.
But me, I said,
They might can't somebody know which one they want to
me said to myself, say, I'm a polo that I want man, I want cow, we don't have.
That's just my brother from yours.
Then she was the
Put on a reel and the pattern a reel. No, let them say, two of them cash.
Hey, one find out about I get these things from my agent.
Just go buy some shirt and never look like to me. I take over and say, okay, this is Louis Vuitton. You go buy it. So what shirt and buy it? Man, for the house for me, I want to say. Me never did buy it. Me never did buy it, man. Me never did buy the man for the house. Just buy it.
You look like a cow and donkey.
No, we just see some shirts. What if it lock? Alright, this is like, yeah, lock up people for gun in Jamaica. If you lock up people, who buy the gun, who build the gun, and who bring the gun, come and jam the gun.
Why do you do that? Because me even asked me, I couldn't walk.
No, it's not.
People do it.
You know what happened now? You see when people bring out a brand, with China, buy one item go to China and make $1 million item and it costs like
Alright, I don't have some mega shoot, right?
1 cent. Understand? It costs like 1 cent. So then you know,
So yo, I guess like that for the behind the scenes now. So we look good together, we'll catch you this hour like in the video. But you say you want to send them over your movie channel to me, boss? I have a movie channel himself too. I think a Curious Cousin. I did.
Hey, my channel is Talk Up TV1. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
if you're talking, yo, my channel name Talk Up TV1. And we're there with Ackeen now, it's about this editor. Who always smell and things. Yeah, man, a big movie I shoot, and you know what I don't shoot them. I see the best.
Yeah.
Alright. You see me?
Yeah.
So just make sure you follow the thing.
Yeah, man, tell them what going on.
Yeah. With Talk Up, my channel is Star VI Vlog.
Alright, my general.
Things that go on, bag of things.
What kind of machine is that, right? Sir?
You don't know? I'm going to tell it to my face. We don't know. It's a desert eagle.
Let me see what I go on, Peter. Alright, I saw it. Bad camera too.
my telephone come down like before that you last minute. Wow, that's it ready. Where castle I live?
Rain is coming down. Oh, people, yeah, hit that for the behind the scenes from me. Remember to like the video. If you make it this far, definitely subscribe. Well, subscribe if you make it this far. And you know, do a lot of things that the algorithm like. So no, later. Lexi, tell the people and bye.
Goodbye, guys. It was nice meeting y'all. I feel bored, sorry.
Yeah, I know.
And next entrance go use it.
Oh!
I'll turn and say bye. Later.
That car, they go there and sit inside and they go. Is that right?
And Alton said, let there be light. Man, it's pretty down here.
That is pretty.
What's up? That's what I'm doing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I realize I could have full, you know. I'm sure, sir. You're gay, man.
I don't have any bones.
Yeah, man, you know. Watch him a wiggle. Fish, you know.
Not straight, man. You lucky in the time you're born, you know. Are you living in the time? That's like say I touch it again, nasty dog.
You know, nasty, you don't feel them tired dog.
And watch a bad man run on about.
So nobody can touch you. Tell about black people.
You see, how many animals simple, you know?
There's no bite, you know.
They can go back to them.
I bite him, I bite up your
No,
blouse
you know,
and
I'm
straight.
friend of a Sunday, you know, if we into the bar.
What you want?
You just want to be friends. You want to be friends. You want to with him down.
So how when me behave, so no friends me you want?
You're a
Eh?
human, this is how no difference.
But the emotion, the man same thing. Eh? See, Altana do it there now.
A long time to say a little animal behavior.
That's a good.
Hey, we must say so selling for our phone in the chair.
On the wall upstairs.
So when
I am a
Wendy.
Downstairs in the house.
Why don't I carry
We're going to shoot one day.
On the return, you know.
We're not shooting over there, so we are shoot.
Oh, we're not going to shoot this one?
No, we never signed to this one. But it's a different one shot shooter here. I
Oh,
just
we
going to
space,
shoot.
we space this is something you can see now.
Yeah, but the clothes are pin up in here, I'm going about it. You can't even get to it, no place to take it. You're in a father man, your body shall shoot you when your body asleep. Your body will cut down to one
You
man.
woke me up 9 o'clock. No, 8:50 something.
When I sleep
You
till
think
the
you live at 12 o'clock, drive home,
No, you
and wake
man,
up at 5. You
you
get
say
enough rest. You have to rest
then
your body, man.
4 hours you need, man. That
No,
the doctor
man,
say.
that was someone.
The doctor say you need 4 hours.
That's what doctor tell you. You're Rasta, you know, you know better than
Remember say yesterday, man.
But I use on yourself.
Remember say the day before, I sleep, catch up in a set, sleep. Then I wake up 5 o'clock and I stay entire day and edit.
Yesterday, I told my grandmother and grandmother close them.
What the phone
I'm a movie man, try to edit first.
Shit.
I tell on the phone then.
It left right on the wall up the side.
Kill him.
But me send you for the phone.
Good time.
But
But I try to edit.
Good time, bro.
here down here some.
Alton, you be your big belly, you need to take us away. Go for me phone then. I don't let them up. I am the last one. They come back. Go for
Make
me.
like so. I see him run.
Go on. You are big belly, you need to take us away.
When they quit breast. That's why my bodybuilder man them.
All Liara say,
In the quit breast.
all Liara say Alton the big belly.
I Jim being dribble.
I put a shake up.
Come on,
That quit to be breast them like a bodybuilder.
I put a shake up.
Enough time try to do it, I'm with them.
Go you too bad man. The man shake his shoulders. In quit the breast one time to do.
I shake.
I because you have no
He can't quit. If he quit it that, he shake hard.
You have no things to do.
No, you know, so that's not trying to impress people.
You're coming here about man, it's not defend that.
Arrest now, you respect.
I'm going to fix me right now.
It's a sink in the belly and pop up the
Listen, so your grandma, I don't your granny close
No,
them.
that man there, my grandmother even have the thing them. You have the people them tie up. That the movie says, so this is on course and then the difference.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
so where you pull out the key?
No, because I always couldn't think I have to pull out it.
Oh,
Wait, I know.
because you know, you when they use a lock and go lock up somebody around and you don't know where the key then. I don't know what of them
Just
then.
go around like you people.
Suppose me it gone.
I know it's there, I mean.
Turn up, fill it. Come on now, use it.
Oh, let's see, there's a switch on the back of the light.
1 second.
My light.
Yeah.
Light.
Say,
Oh,
no,
this
sure,
one.
thank you. Oh, you know, for the second.
I mean, you put the money. You're going fast, you know, man.
What happened to the money general?
The day when I'm going to put the money. I mean, can you keep
See,
going?
you want different one, they're not lock.
I'm going to carry that shot for you. You don't get it?
Yes, but they're not lock, but the one I want different one. The funny.
We have an
I want the fan number one, the funny. And number one bunch of kids, you gotta get them to switch over.
We don't like the flash with them boy here, you know. With them. No, with this.
With chain, eh? We're not taking a fake chain.
I try to
Kind of fake
What's
chain.
that like this? See like thing.
Yeah, come to closing now, so said routine. I'm not that griller.
No punch it over.
But a woman does like that work.
No punch it over my head.
Anything I did then go through your grandmother.
Whoa.
How young girl was the name again, Diane?
Oh, sorry.
No, the bigger one.
Trudy.
No, next
Shanique. Shanique.
Shanique. Shanique! Shanique! Shanique!
No, I think you did it. I don't know if I work first. So close to the garden. You could have started there though.
No, this is one thing I did there. This is the one I do. I find movie. Nothing too crispy. They love to go like alright, alright.
Alright, I come down.
Yup.
Alright, I come down.
Alright, start catch some shot with Lexi and screech from like
Yeah, man, go
So, I want to do now. I'm not seeing it.
Then I see, catch some shot with Lexi.
Oh, I'm not seeing it, people.
Go buy someone and chill. You shall buy something to eat.
No, seeing it.
This is how we are. No, no.
Yeah, we rust and make bad at you. Sick what are the people saying?
Dead cat. That's what they call this fuzzy thing here. Dead cat. Get rid of the sound from the wind. Awesome technology.
Get no shots when you there saw me, you have to get behind shots. Remember that?
I'm pass on that.
So you know, fair them ghost in the back of them. I'm in the dependence. Bingy balls, sir.
Where you call me, Alago?
He's in the bingy balls,
Okay. How money me make off of this again?
You ready? Start rain. Ready?
Ready?
I want to be a rush and I think too much better. You have to relax. I make it in flow. You need to get more. I'm kicking back. You just keep up as the
Rush him them, general. You know what thing going on. Hold on.
Mommy, step over 1 minute, please.
You tell him I just step over, I finish no damn work.
No, I'm going so far.
I'm thinking, should I catch from the next angle or what? So this is me. Take everything on my just video. I'm gonna put up this camera Because I might see you now. Now like them two call me. You see me? So, yeah people, it's fun. Don't forget movie still in the works, but one day at a time. Nothing happens before it's time, so keep on learning, keep on making notes, add on the stories and all that good stuff. Life journey, you know? It's fun. Met some really nice people in life, still meeting more, still going to meet more as long as life's fair. But until then, big up on yourself, Laragan, later. Subscribe, like, all the good things.